So listen, fam, Mom and I are in Sam's and she's going to the cafe to get us something to eat. Now, we have two carts, which means some of these items will make it in the house and some of these items will be left in the car until my brother comes home. So what I'm going to do is turn the camera around or see how I can maneuver and just get this shopping haul out of the way in Sam's Club. So, yeah, let's go to my Sam's Club shopping haul. Just keep watching. So, to my Priceless family, welcome back. And if you're new here, well, thanks so much for stopping by the channel. And since you're here, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. So let's get into these carts and see what we purchased. Starting off with my favorite cleaning supply, Dawn Power Wash. Three cans of Lysol. Yeah, you know why. We need that. $12-pack of Star-Kissed tuna. Italian herb. And some black peppercorn. Have you all tried this chopped kale mix? This is absolutely, listen, if you haven't, try it. It's so good. You see, I have 2 bags, right? Okay. And this is one of my favorites, Lipton, Georgia Peach. Yeah, these 24 bottles, they belong to me. But I'm not selfish. I bought the family the citrus green tea. The strawberry lemonade, Nature's Twist. So we have to have water, and I like the half-size containers. 80 bottles. That's right, 80 bottles. Then we have this multi-flavored Poppy. 36 cans of this lemon brisk iced tea. As you see, we love iced tea. A bag of sweet potatoes because I'll be sharing a couple of recipes real soon. 2 containers of that Zatarain's fish fry. The hamburger sliders. We had to get some shrimp. some steak, the 2-pack of chicken fajitas, the 4-pound of Roger Wood, and the twin pack of that hickory smoked thick bacon. Because I have that candied bacon recipe. If you missed it, check it out after today's video. Some pork chops, so on to cart number 2. Some buttery croissants, a 4-pack of Febreze air freshener, 2-pack of olive oil cooking spray, gold medal all-purpose flour, Domino's 10-pound granulated sugar, 6-pack of Dinty Moore's beef stew, 24-pack of the mini slider buns, 12-pack of Campbell's chicken noodle soup, 8-pack of Bush's original baked beans, 12-pack of beef franks for mom, twin pack of shaved turkey breast, large pack of hefty garbage bags, and that famous Amerimox bath tissues. Oh, that's hand towels. So Mom and I made it outside after we sat down and had a little lunch, but now this is the real task. Can we get all of these items in the car? That's the task. Let's see if we can do it. Well, everything fit. I don't know how, but it did. Join me next week for part 2 and part 3 of my fall decor playlist, The Ambiance of Autumn. Videos are uploaded on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more, sprinkle in between. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. And if you have not subscribed, then I encourage you to subscribe and become part of my growing YouTube family. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. Now let's go to the next video.